Hey, it's Chef K. SOS. Stuff on a shingle. Another word for that, but we're not going to say it here. So, this was a meal that was originally put in an Army manual in 1910. Some people know it as cream chip beef. It's still eaten for breakfast in some parts of the country. Cream chip beef is kind of popular. It was on Cracker Barrel's menu at one point and IHOP's menu at one point. This version I'm making here, we're going to use Texas toast for the shingle. We're going to chop up a couple of pounds of hamburger, cook it up. We're going to season it up with Killer Hogs, AP. You use your favorite seasoning, of course. I'm going to cook the meat up. We're going to make brown gravy. My crew here doesn't particularly like the light gravy version. The white gravy, the mushroom gravy. I grew up eating it with mushroom gravy and hamburger meat over regular toast. But we're going to use brown gravy. 4 packets, 4 cups of water. Stir it on up. Take a shortcut. Why not? Cooking up 2 pounds of hamburger. We're going to mix that brown gravy with the hamburger and we're going to pour it over Texas toast. And there's some Texas toast right there. Pretty easy meal. Relatively inexpensive, although beef has gone sky high, but you can make this for several people for well under $20. There's the beef. It's drained and done. Pour it in that brown gravy on it. Looking pretty good so far. If you, as usual, if your brown gravy doesn't get as thick as you want it, if it's too runny, mix up some cornstarch and cold water. A couple of tablespoons of cornstarch and about a 1/4 cup of cold water will thicken just about anything. Bring it up to heat and it'll thicken up for you. There, we're pouring it over, looking good. We're going to add some spicy green beans to it. And there you go. Hey, we'll see you in the next one.